Hi my warriors, and welcome to the Jolie Petite Cafe. Today in this video, I'm actually going to be showing you how to make a chamomile honey latte. Some ingredients and supplies you're going to need is chamomile tea, a whisk. I'm using an electric whisk, but you can also use a spoon or a hand whisk. Some honey, and if you're vegan you can use agave syrup or maple syrup. Your choice of milk, I am using almond milk. Something to heat your milk in, and a mug or tumbler. I chose my Superman tumbler just because I'll be sitting later on today and I wanted to keep my drink nice and warm. And also a measuring cup. The first thing that I'm going to do is steep my tea. I decided to go with 2 bags of chamomile tea just because I really wanted that strong chamomile flavor to come through in my latte. I'm going to be steeping the tea in about 6 ounces of water, hot water. Now while my tea is steeping, let's move on to the milk. I'm going to be heating up about 6 ounces of milk. If you don't have an espresso milk frother to heat up your milk, you can always put your milk in a pan on the stove and then heat it up until it's warm. Now what I'm doing here is I'm going to be measuring out how much sweetener or honey that I want into my tea while the tea is still hot, so that way it will dissolve a lot easier. I am putting in about 0.5 ounces to 1 ounce of honey, and that's equivalent to 1 to 2 tablespoons. 0.5 is 1 tablespoon and 1 ounce is 2 tablespoons. Now just take your spoon or your whisk and then just blend up that honey until it's well dissolved. Now it's time to assemble our latte. I'm going to be adding in my milk. Now my tea. And there you have it. If you wanted to add cinnamon or whipped cream, that's always optional as well, and it will taste amazing. And until next time, my warriors, keep killing it with love and kindness.